Just look at the background. तो कुछ भी कहीं पे भी मैं कैमरा डालूं, it looks so pristine. It's just crazy. Oh. Oh my god, feels like a rock. ये है नाश्ता आज का. Is that jam? Oh, jam है. तो ये भूटान में मेरा तीसरा दिन है and I have a bunch of stuff to do, which includes meeting my new tour guide. क्या पीसफुल मॉर्निंग है एकदम इधर. This is a garden. जाओ कि नहीं अंदर? But yeah, you wake up to this every morning. I mean, who will not be happy, I guess. पूरा आइटिनरी कल रात को कॉल पे कुछ 1.5 घंटा बात कर करके हम लोग ने फिक्स किया है. फिर से इस रोड पे आ गया. टू वॉक ऑल द वे. कल बारिश हुआ था मॉर्निंग में and the dog is missing. I don't know where the dog is. आज का व्यू थोड़ा बेटर है because they have more sunlight today. मस्त सनलाइट है. वो बिल्डिंग देखना बाकी है, बाद में देखूंगा. Hopefully और 45 minutes में the tour guide I know will come, take the payment, put me in the taxi and then I can head off to Punakha. मैं बहुत randomly आ गया and booking नहीं किया, so very stressed. बहुत स्ट्रेस था कि मेरे को लास्ट मोमेंट पे मिल रहा नहीं है, बट ये लोग करके दे रहे मेरे को. एंड टोटल पैकेज कॉस्ट मेरे को it was 14th of March से लेके 20th of March. So that is costing me 1,30,000, which is high. I feel per day cost high है, but it could be higher as well because there are tour companies जैसे मैं TripAdvisor पे देखा था, and then I had gotten a personal quote from what was that? Yeah, एक वियतनामीज ट्रैवल कंपनी था. उन्होंने मेरे को $1,800 बोला था and the TripAdvisor was $2,500, which is just too much I feel. So I'll just head over to the post office. मैंने लाइफ में कोई पोस्ट कार्ड भेजा भी नहीं है, so I'll have to see कैसा है. Meanwhile, if I want to share some other story, I could share that जिस होटल में मैं रह रहा होता टिसा विला, उन्होंने भी मेरे को टूर गाइड एंड कार वार ऑफर किया था, बट इट वाज कमिंग टू 4,500 to 4,500 फॉर द कार पर डे. एंड टूर गाइड का आई थिंक 2,500 मांग रहे थे. टूर गाइड का 2,500 इज स्टिल ओके. आई मीन अगर एक्सपीरियंस गाइड है या फिर लाइक ही हैज अ फ्यू इयर्स ऑफ एक्सपीरियंस तो उतना हो जाता. बट द गाड़ी car, I felt it was too much. Maybe I'm wrong, but I felt it was too much. एक तो गाड़ी भी जो चला के आने वाला था, it was a EV car. चार्जिंग क्या करता पता नहीं, but I feel EV है तो should be cheaper, right? EV का इधर ऑपरेशन कॉस्ट ही क्या, इधर तो इनको EV का चार्जिंग ही फ्री है गाड़ी का. इट इज एब्सोल्युटली 100% फ्री EV चार्जिंग है. यहाँ पे उनको EV चार्जिंग का पैसा ही नहीं देना पड़ता है. मजाक भी नहीं कर रहा. I mean, so interesting. So the first stop of the day was at one of Thimphu's oldest temples dating back to the 12th century.
If I told you the history, it was formed by the Phaju Dugum Jipo. The
Father?
Phaju Dugum Jipo he's the father of the Drukpa school. He found the Drukpa school, and in 13th century, he have found this temple out here. Here you can see Buddhist type stupa. That's called Setup Chetin. Yeah.
So you go and pray to the stupa?
Yeah, we circumate to clear our sin.
We go down then up?
Yeah. If you want to see a view from here, you can see very beautiful of our town. The zone is the where monk also you live there, and there will be the office for administrations. In olden time, the zone were used as the defense purpose, and the monastery is where there will be teachings of sanghas, mantras, and where they chant and learn. And Chetan is to circumlate. So when they have a free time, they just come. When Buddha Shakyamuni was meditating and he get enlightenment, the people built this stupa for him to
Yeah.
remember his enlightenment.
Oh yeah, I've been seeing these things everywhere. These tiny things everywhere.
This is the mini stupa. They used to put some mantras inside from the bottom, the small paper, roll with your name and the mantras to bring a good myth in your life.
But how do you put your name on it? I mean,
Here, from bottom, they can put a
okay, you write your name, you roll it,
yeah,
and
they can put it. From here, you can, if you are sick, then it will cure, and if you have a bad timing, then a good timing will come in your life.
oh, I've seen these everywhere. Like
Yeah, people used to keep, and they also put for the dead people also.
dead people.
Yeah,
This valley looks.
so beautiful, no?
It always looks beautiful every day.
That's why the name has been derived from here. There, this temple name.
I'm running out of phone storage. But नीचे से भी view अच्छा दिखता है. When you look up, looks pristine. Whoa. Valley ka view, amazing.
It's name-giving temple.
Huh?
Anyone's baby is born
Huh?
in this valley,
Hmm.
in this Thimpu, they used to bring here to give their name to the baby.
Only in Thimphu though, not from far.
Thimpu, and
Sometimes.
some of the people also come from the far away
Okay,
to
okay.
give their name.
So Tashi Dzong mein kabhi not so most Thimphu people come to give their baby a name.
No, some of they give to their local temple.
Okay,
there
local
where
temple.
they lived in the
Is
West
this?
Valley.
Yeah.
So if the Changangas people know their baby are born, so they bring here. So usually you will find many of the girls out here, girls and fathers carrying their baby only.
Oh.
Yeah.
Okay. So is this the most important temple here in?
Yeah, it's also called an important temple because it was found by the Phaju Dugom Jipo
1200 in
in 13th century.
It's 1200
Yeah.
years. Oh, it's old. Where are those? I've seen those things where they're like rolls, and you do this. It's like this big, something, and you do. I forget what those are called. Next up, Simply Bhutan, a museum which lets you experience what living here is all about. Okay, continue.
Yeah, so you can see like portraits over here. Those are the portraits of our monarch. Okay, he's our first king, His Majesty Upin Wangchuk. From 1907, he started ruling our country, and he's our second king.
From 1926. Okay.
Till 1926.
Till 1926. Oh, okay. The memorial is for him, right? Chautan.
And he also started a friendship with other countries. First friendship I started with India. You can see picture with Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru, first Prime Minister of India, with his daughter Indira Gandhi.
Oh yeah, there's Indira Gandhi
Indira
there.
Gandhi.
Okay. Is the king in the photo? Where is
Yeah. He's our third king, and
okay, he's on the first row left. It's very heavy actually. It's like 4 kilos.
Be careful.
Okay, what do I do with this?
I can take a picture now.
Okay, we'll just take a snapshot. Like, I'm doing a tour of Simply Bhutan. Continuing the tour. Okay, what is this?
So this is the traditional house construction module, the sample of earth ramming house or mud house. So while building a mud temporary phase, after this we have to add some red soil, sprinkle some water, and ram this ramming rod just to compact the mud. So during work time, both boys and girls used to gather and do work. So during work time, they sing a song also. That's for entertainment and also for flirting and all. And
Flirting?
Yeah. You know, like during olden days, there was no phones and all. So during the work time, they like flirt with each other. And if they fall in love, then they get married from here too.
Ah.
And this song is also a kind of prayer.
So they'll sing now?
Yeah, they're going to sing. So you can see those are all our traditional musical instruments. So you can see this first one is hand drum. So while performing one of our like annual religious festival, they use this one. Flute, fiddle, and this one is lute. It's a kind of guitar we call drumian. And you can see the
Ah, yeah,
chords are
Drunyan.
beautifully,
Yeah.
Python. Oh, you know drumian?
He's Tenzin taught me.
Oh.
Not him, his friend.
So
Huh.
use this kind of two sticks to play the game like this.
Oh wow.
If you're interested, maybe you can try this.
Okay. God of Death ka mask. Okay.
And here, lot of compassion and lot of physical strength.
Okay, so मेरा storage खत्म हो गया था, so I had to delete some stuff. So I've missed some like good explanation, but I'm in a traditional kitchen. This is in like ancient type पे जो kitchen होता था ऐसा होता है उनका. The lady was giving a good explanation of everything. This is butter churner. You make some kind of tea with this, and there's a butter containers. बहुत कुछ थोड़ा सा miss हो गया है. But yeah, I have storage now, so I think we can properly vlog now. Food artist.
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah, can I take a video or like what?
Yeah, sure. Kusampo.
So what can you tell me?
You can say Kusampo.
Uh-huh.
Kusampola. You can say Kusampola. You can just
Kuzampola.
yeah.
What does that mean?
You are greeting.
Kuzampola.
So he's our first and only food artist.
Hmm.
His name is Pima Srin.
Pima Trin.
When he was at the age of 2, he was diagnosed with brain disorder called cerebral palsy.
Hmm.
So because of that, his two hands is not working,
Uh-huh.
and whatever work he have to do, he does with his feet.
It's amazing actually.
And he also have picture with our Queen Mother.
Okay, that's the queen.
Yeah, and you can see that second picture with our present king.
Oh.
So our king gifted his personal watch to Pema Srin as a appreciation.
Huh.
And he also play archery very well with his feet. So he stood second from Nepal Paralympic. Yeah, already you can see the green like certificate over there in the green color.
Okay.
Second.
Sir has achieved a lot.
Yes, he's really like talented guy. Traditional ladder. He got
Oh
it.
yeah. This
So
thing.
this traditional ladder is more than 200.
So they just took one whole tree and they easily
Yes.
made a ladder out of it. Chilies, mushroom. These are actually apples. I didn't know that. That is pumpkin. Looks like pork from far, but it's actually pumpkin. Corn, more chili.
Eggplant also.
Where? Oh, strips of eggplant. Okay, what do we do next?
We'll just inside. We'll try some butter here now.
Can I record?
Yeah, sure.
Yeah. Ah,
You can take a spot here.
okay. Oh. मुझे actually performance enjoy करना है, but they are just keeping on doing new things. So I'll just explain quickly. This is butter tea. This is sweetened rice. This is some roasted rice. You add the roasted rice in the butter tea and you drink it and kind of bite into the tea, which is interesting. इनका live performance चल रहा है and they're going to continue to bring some other things as well, I'm guessing. Oh.
Exercise.
Yeah, it's like easily 8-9 kilos. Whoa.
They don't need to go any gym at all.
So you pour the corn in here,
Yeah.
then you
just
go
on,
like this.
just like this.
Hmm.
With the right hand, we just rotate it, and with the left hand, we just pour some like corns or rice.
Okay. Hmm. Was this burnt or something? I ask a lot of questions. Bhutan's national sport, archery has been part of Bhutanese life for centuries, long before it became a sport. It was originally used for hunting and defense but evolved into a symbol of skill, unity, and celebration. So, if I'm able to toss this coin inside and make a wish, it will supposedly come true. So let's say no. Oh, there you go. At least got one coin. Okay. Right now I'm standing at the Sangegang viewpoint.
It's a beautiful mountain out there.
Ooh, कैमरा पे भी अच्छा लग रहा है and आंखों से भी अच्छा लग रहा है. That's a rare thing. It doesn't happen always. Buddha Dordhanma is where's the statue gone? What?
Yeah, up there. Yeah, from this
Okay, there.
Yeah,
It's on the hill. Okay,
yeah,
there. It is right there, and we are out. How high are we? Like it's very high. Actually.
It's in almost 3,000 above sea level.
3,000 meters above sea
Yeah.
level. Oh my goodness. So interestingly, okay, oh no, my camera is swinging again, but he's watching the camera, so मेरा phone देख रहा है. But यहाँ पे interesting चीज़ क्या है? इतना ऊपर है ये. It's quite the मतलब drive करके भी मतलब 5-10 minutes का drive था up here. But people apparently come here up here to do some gymming also like this. They've got this stuff here. I don't know what this is. To think that someone would come so far up to do a workout, it's pretty incredible. It's just beautiful scenery, Bhutan doesn't fail to impress. It's damn windy. बहुत windy है. इधर पतंग उड़ाने में मजा आएगा. I don't see people flying kites. What are they doing? They're not taking the opportunity. But like it would be nice to fly a kite. It would be very easy, very easy. Drone तो उड़ेगा नहीं. Drone उड़ के चला जाएगा. Drone will get lost. Oh, मेरा सिर दुख रहा है. धूप में रह रहे थे. Or is it because I've not had a neck massage in a long time? Anyways, I'm trying Druk 11,000. This is one of the Bhutanese beers, and for whatever reason, मेरे को इसका alcohol content दिख ही नहीं रहा है. It's just not there anywhere. Like what? How is? Should be written. किधर लिखा है? पता ही नहीं. वो दिख ही नहीं रहा. Easily तो नहीं दिख रहा at least. And I just had the most tasty, crispy vegetarian thing ever. दिखाता हूँ. Buffet के नाम पे इधर lunch. This is red rice. Oh, मेरे को पता भी नहीं था it's red rice. मैं red rice ऐसे ही खा रहा था. But this is batora. This is eggplant, which is begun bhaja. But this thing is damn tasty. It's crispy carrot with glazed honey. Vegetarian है. It's just carrot. उस पर I think कुछ batter है and it is glazed with honey. It is super duper tasty. मेरे birthday पे ऐसा खाना होना चाहिए. इतना tasty है ये. And this is assorted vegetables. दाल मैंने ट्राई नहीं किया. मेरे को दूसरे दाल पसंद नहीं. This thing looks nice, and it's very interesting dish because it's cheese with chili, and the thing is, the vegetables are bland, but the soup is very spicy. And this is chicken pa. Chicken pa is basically is just not high on flavor. It's just pretty okay. But yeah, protein है. Chicken breast डाला था, so it's good protein in there, and I just love chicken breast. Cheers, good experience. थोड़ा खाना crispy carrot खा के अभी बाहर आ गए हैं, and we are in
Chomzamto.
Chomzongto.
Yeah,
Okay.
Chomzamto. The place name is Chomzamto. It's called Chain Park.
Chain Park.
Yeah, Chain Park.
अरे वाह रे. Do people skateboard here? Like you could skateboard here. It looks nice.
Yeah. Take it.
Daniel explained that the green roofs are green because it denotes a residential civilian building.
They belongs to the private.
Yeah.
Normal.
And the red ones are for
government.
government or religious. Oh, that's a nice bridge.
That is the old way of making bridge, traditional bridge. They used to build like this.
Arey, what is this tree? It's yellow and
Cypress tree.
oh, this is cypress tree. The one we saw at Zongkha was not Zongkha, Zong. At the Zong was dark green, so this is a little
No,
yellow.
it's not a cypress tree. Sorry, I forgot.
So we're just going for a walk because that beer kind of took over me. This is the old-fashioned bridge. Oh, ये क्या दिखता है? Like it's like dang.
It's the end of the gate.
I see. It's really wonderful up here. So that's a very healthy lifestyle. Yeah. No video games, no drinking too much.
I never drink.
I drank once and I can see the result.
Oh,
But there's a oh, that's a school. Okay. क्या रे इधर रहने में कैसा लगेगा? I wonder. I mean, for the present minute, seems pretty awesome. Got this beautiful football ground. You've got the hills up there. बाजू में स्कूल भी है. Got a river. It's clean air. Not that polluted. Awesome जगह है. So this tree is called weeping willow and इसका जो branches है
yeah.
बहुत flexible है.
Yeah, it's also flexible.
So you know it's पीटने के लिए बच्चों को ऐसा मारने के लिए बहुत useful है. Nature's own tool for disciplining children. So away from the bridge थोड़ा चल चल के आ गया हूँ मैं Changyul Park के इधर. Oh, there's the signboard. There's the signboard. Just a park for recreational use. यार अगर तुम शहर के पोल्यूशन से परेशान हो, पी पै अजीब अजीब स्मेल वगैरह से, this place will refresh every cell in your body. Like just look at the background. कुछ भी कहीं पे भी मैं कैमरा डालूं, it looks so pristine. It's just crazy. Like what? ऐसा कैसा जगह है? ऐसा कैसे possible है? So while my body cools down, I'll take a stroll of this place. As hell, my सिर फट रहा है दर्द से. I think I need some water. But yeah, like कहीं पे भी डाल दो कैमरा. Oh, can I climb this hill? Is it allowed? What is this allowed?
तो हम अभी इससे जाएगा. रास्ते घूम के आएगा.
Oh, you know, this could be like a obstacle course for drunk people. Like, you know, like you have to clear this place without hitting any of the poles. Like this would be like, हाँ मैं prime minister बनेगा तो I'll make this a thing. Your drunk test next to the river. पीछे ही है मेरे. Where's the temple gone? Where's the statue? Oh, that's Buddha's statue. And इधर किधर एक हिंदू, हाँ, there's the Hindu temple there above my finger. Look at this view, man. अरे यार क्या सीनरी है इधर. एंटोनिया पार्क. मैं अब तक वैली वगैरह में गया भी, वैली में गया, कौन सा वैली में गया मैं? शिट. मैं अब तक बड़ा बड़ा मोनेस्ट्री एंड वैली देखा भी नहीं है. एंड इट्स ऑलरेडी सो ब्यूटीफुल. मेरे को एक्चुअली उधर से एक वीडियो लेना था, लाइक अ क्लोज अप ऑफ द वाटर. It says something, future deck, jogging bridge. Okay. The bar hai? Like what kind of bar is it?
Wine bar.
Really?
Yes.
You get wine by the river?
Of course, you can drink a wine and if it's so hot, you can jump in the river.
कोई है नहीं I think. बट ये ऐसा नवी मुंबई में ऐसा नहीं है कि मिनी सीशोर में ऐसा बार है, उधर बस स्नैक्स वैक्स मिलता है, जूस फूस मिलता है, ऐसा कुछ सीटिंग अरेंजमेंट भी नहीं है.
It's open here.
It's open. It's just a very small cafe by the river. And menu पे बहुत, I think there are more alcoholic drinks than actual like hot beverages and stuff, but the ambience is really something. I really love this ambience. इसलिए मैं आपको दिखा रहा हूँ ये. फनी चीज़ क्या है, दिस इज़ द ओनली कंट्री जहाँ पे the locals thought I am also a local. They didn't think I am a foreigner. So it's really interesting. अरे just over there is the bridge that I was on earlier. The garmi like doesn't feel as hot, you know. एक balmy feeling होता है जो कि नहीं है. इनको actually गर्म लग रहा है. Just spoke to Daniel and he's saying 18 डिग्री 20 डिग्री से ज़्यादा होगा तो उन लोगों को गर्म लगता है. सो ओके, बट या इफ़ यू आर यूज्ड टू लिविंग इन अ कोल्ड क्लाइमेट, एक्चुअली मेरा फ्रेंड भी एक ऐसा था, वो भी बहुत सालों बाद जब इंडिया आया वो बोल रहा था ही वॉज नॉट यूज्ड टू द हीट. आई एम एट दिस कॉफ़ी प्लेस कॉल्ड द कॉफ़ी एट द बेंड. It's literally they've built a platform and standing on a wooden platform. थोड़ा बहुत ऐसा platform दिख रहा है पूरा. You can see the paneling. It's built right on top of a hill. नीचे ऐसा stilts डाल के hill पे बना है and right in front if I flip the camera, Simtokhajong. It's the first monastery in Bhutan and इधर का view ऐसा दिखता है. That far away looks like a power station or something.
Snacks, so I will include with the tea. You want a tea?
यहाँ का एक stray dog है, बहुत बड़ा है. He's like massive. He's big dog. बहुत वॉकिंग कर लिया, अभी आ गया हूँ. एक और टूरिस्ट स्पॉट भी है एंड इट्स लोकल्स को भी इधर काम रहता है. दिस इज द सेंटेनरी फार्मर्स मार्केट मेरे पीछे है. सो एक बार अंदर जाते हैं, देखते हैं ये लोग ऊपर क्या क्या बेचते हैं लोकल्स लोग एंड क्या खाते पीते हैं. एंड स्टफ इज सपोज टू बी ऑर्गेनिक एंड क्लीन. Okay, let's go. I remember, vlogging in other places also. मेरे को नहीं जाने का था, मैं थक गया हूँ, ये है वो है, आपको बस लेट के आराम करना है. बट नहीं, मैं तो भी उठ के चला गया बिकॉज इम्पोर्टेंट फील होता है तो चला गया मैं. Yeah, it does look a little different than usual. अरे मिर्ची. It's a homemade chili pickle, eh?
Yeah.
It says kainima paste. So I'm guessing. What is this green stuff?
This one.
Yeah.
We find this inside the river. No.
Is it sea? No.
Seafood or river. We also say. We say in Nepal, we say leu.
In where?
Nepali leu.
Leo बोलते हैं इसको नेपाल में. This green thing.
Yes.
It looks. I mean seaweed तो नहीं हो.
Like seaweed, same. It's similar to seaweed.
Similar to seaweed but river में.
Yeah.
Okay, it's from the river. इधर दूर से एंड पास से भी मेरे को उससे सी का स्मेल तो नहीं आ रहा सी फूड का. सो आई एम गेसिंग इट टेस्ट्स ऑलराइट. अरे यहाँ पे ब्राउन एग्स होते हैं ना. ब्राउन एग्स हियर. व्हाट? अरे बाप रे, ये क्या चीज़ है?
The hard cheese.
हार्ड चीज.
Yeah.
कैन वी बाय इट?
Yeah, of course you can.
How do you buy it? Like kilo or
Yeah, you can buy
half a
per
gram?
piece.
Like
You can buy a piece.
per piece आता है क्या? ठीक है, let's try.
Kamchina.
Okay, चलो एक try करता
You
है.
want a soft one or hot one?
एक एक हार्ड भी लेते हैं, सॉफ्ट भी लेते हैं.
Jump cheese or?
ठीक है, I just want to try.
Oh, gee.
एकदम से थक गया. So oh my god, feels like a rock.
It's very hard.
Are you sure you're supposed to eat this?
Yeah.
It's so hard.
You used to eat like that. Slowly, the taste will come. Very nice. when it becomes
It's
soft.
I don't know. It literally feels like a marble. चबा ही नहीं पा रहा हूँ.
क्या आपका दांत स्ट्रॉन्ग है?
इतना नहीं है. I don't think it's this strong.
ओह, आपको 6 आवर तो लगेगा.
Oh my god. टूट ही नहीं रहा है.
हाँ, बहुत ज्यादा.
Can't make a single dent in it. I just can't. Okay, anyways. What am I doing? Oh, there's more cheese here. अच्छा वो आ गया. We'll keep trying this stuff. Okay, so what is what now?
Yes.
Which is what?
These all are all made of yak milk.
Then the cheese that I'm eating, that
This is also from yak.
oh, it's from yak milk.
Yeah.
Okay. इसमें से कौन सा है जो मैं actually चबा पाऊंगा?
जो सॉफ्ट वाला भी मिलता है आपको. ये सब इधर
मैं hard वाला खा रहा हूँ.
हाँ, हाथ वाला खा. आपको सॉफ्ट चाहिए तो आप मांगा देगा उधर से.
I'm actually चबा ही नहीं पा रहा हूँ. Oh my goodness. What is this?
These are datsi, the local cheese. It's
Mhm.
made of cow milk. From
Looks
cow.
yummy.
Yeah.
And this is ghee? No.
This is
Butter. Butter.
Kamchila.
Starting to crack.
So let's.
But the rest of the stuff, I'm curious. What is the rest of the stuff?
This one also.
Hmm.
It's also from the yak milk or
Oh my.
it's similar to same these two.
Okay.
Mostly the Highlander used to eat this one.
What toothpaste do they use, man?
How the taste is coming? It's very hard.
How do they bite this thing? I mean, this thing? No, not this. This thing is
Yak cheese.
okay. And if you buy, you have to buy all of it, or like what?
Yeah, you can buy 2 kg also.
Hmm.
We used to walk here.
Hmm.
When we renovate this CFM,
Hmm.
I was walking here. I have polished all this tower and this wood. the
You
inside.
have worked on this wood, okay?
Yes.
Ridiculously hard.
Yeah, it's very hard.
इससे मैं दूसरे चीजों को तोड़ सकता इतना hard है. It's but with my saliva, it's slowly starting to soften up. Slowly, taking a lot of time though. उसको टारो बोलते हैं. Wait, did I just? I ate a dish in the buffet. It was called taro.
Maybe.
Maybe it was this fried. I don't know. Daniel, what's this?
Which one?
I don't know what this is.
We see this thingy.
Almost looks like flowers.
Yeah.
What is it?
They used to
Oh, there's the spice. Yeah.
salt tea, butter with the tea.
हाँ.
उस बनाने में.
अच्छा वो butter tea का tea leaves है. Okay. You can buy this. It's roasted rice.
Yeah, roasted rice.
It's amazing on its own also. उसको चाय में डालने का जरूरत भी नहीं है. Oh, we got snacks.
Khabze.
Khabze.
Yeah, it's a local biscuit.
Looks cute. Like
Yeah.
it's kind of firm.
Yeah, it's like a biscuit.
And because wheat या मैदा है, so it's obviously going to taste nice. It's made from. Oh, it's honey. Okay.
Yeah.
Bamboo shoot का pickle. What?
Right that one.
No, that's first time they grow. It's one floor only, right? और नीचे ऊपर
Yeah,
कुछ नहीं है.
नीचे भी है.
नीचे भी है. नीचे क्या है और?
बहुत dry taste inside.
मैंने एक्चुअली एक भी सब्जी का दाम नहीं पूछा. Is like expensive or what?
It will be very nice. So आप देखते वो ज़्यादा सा इंडिया से थोड़ा सा लगेगा ज़्यादा.
इंडिया से थोड़ा ज़्यादा रहेगा. I'm tempted to ask them, but मैं खरीदने वाला तो उनका टाइम वेस्ट नहीं करना चाहिए. I don't know. तो ग्लांस सब इतना फ्रेश क्यों दिख रहा है मेरे को? Like it's more higher quality vegetable ऐसा लग रहा है. तो देख के ही लग रहा है. दूर से देख के लग रहा है. पास से तो और भी लग रहा है. But oh, these onions look nice. These are potatoes.
Yes, yes.
It's pretty red. It's sort of the side alley to the market. वो सब क्या ड्राई? अच्छा हम लोग
Dry fish है.
ड्राई व्हाट?
Dry fish.
अरे ये क्या कर रहे हैं? देखा कैसे नहीं हमने? देखना रह गया. बट क्रिस्पी ड्राइड फिश एंड या मेरे को फिश बहुत पसंद है. Smells nice actually.
Yeah.
मेरे लिए अच्छा है, वेजिटेरियन लोगों को पसंद नहीं आएगा, बट इट्स रोज अपॉन रोज ऑफ ड्राइड फिश.
हमको भी बहुत अच्छा लगता है.
It's crispy, like I like dried fish. It's crispy, it's fishy, smells like seafood. It's got omega 3. Yeah, omega 3 something. I hope it does.
Yeah.
Yeah.